Hello friend, you know that we are running the series of spoken English language. In earlier videos, we have seen 7 subjects and helping verbs. Now, in this particular video, we are going to see how affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative sentences are formed. राईट. तर आपण कालच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये फक्त अफर्मेटिव्ह सेंटेन्सेस पाहिलेले आहे. इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर व्हिडिओ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी निगेटिव्ह, इंटरॉगेटिव्ह अँड एक्सेट्रा. सो सी हियर टुडे वी आर डीलिंग विथ वॉज अँड वर which are used in past tense, right? Here I have already written 7 subjects on the board and we have already made affirmative sentences in earlier video. So in today's video we will deal with the next part. See, for example, today we are not going to study the sentences in every subjects, but we will deal with some few sentences. For example, he was a great scientist. He was a great scientist. ते महान असे सायंटिस्ट होते. So how can we make negative? For example, I write here, he was not a great scientist. This is a negative sentence. How I have made it negative? Simply by using not to the helping form. Was not. He was not a great scientist. So when we make conversation with other, there is a need to ask the question to another person. As a result, sometime we have to ask the correct question to the another person, and that's why in today's video we will deal with how interrogative sentences are made. See how simple it is. For example, he was a great scientist. This is our sentence. So by taking this was, were, is, am, are to be helping form at the initial part of the sentence, we can form interrogative sentence. He was a great scientist. Here was is a helping verb. Take this was at the initial part of the sentence. Was he a great scientist? Question mark. Was he a great scientist? Right. ते महान शास्त्रज्ञ होते का? Now this is verbal question, verbal interrogative question, and now we can make also interrogative plus negative. For example, wasn't he a great scientist? Wasn't he a great scientist? ते महान शास्त्रज्ञ नव्हते का? ते महान शास्त्रज्ञ होते का? Wasn't he a great scientist? ते महान शास्त्रज्ञ नव्हते का? In this way we can make affirmative sentence, then negative sentence, then interrogative sentence, then interrogative plus negative sentence, right? So similarly in all the 7 subjects we may form the sentences, all type of sentences. So far as your practice is concerned, take pen and page and write down all these sentences in your notebook and do the practice for more sentences. Now I take another example here. For example, we may take the example of you here in the sentence. See here, we will take another sentence. For example, you were there at America. You were there at America last month. You were there at America last month. तू मागल्या महिन्यामध्ये अमेरिकेला होतास. So how we can form negative sentence? You were not there at America last month. Interrogative. Were you there at America last month? Were you there at America last month? तुम्ही मागल्या महिन्यामध्ये अमेरिकेमध्ये होता का? In this way we can form interrogative sentence. Now, weren't you there at America last month? Weren't you there at America last month? मागल्या महिन्यामध्ये तुम्ही अमेरिकामध्ये नव्हते का? So in this way you may form the sentences, interrogative sentences in this particular pattern which deals with was and were, right? So see, here I have written some of the sentences on the board which are all interrogative. So we will try to understand how the sentences are made. For example, was I clever in the 5th standard? Was I clever in the 5th standard? मी 5th standard मध्ये हुशार होतो का? Were we neighbors in this town? या गावामधले आपण शेजारी होतो का? Were you extremely serious in this matter? तुम्ही या मॅटरमध्ये अतिशय सिरियस होते का? See what I have written and what I have told you in earlier videos. Rather, when we are following this particular pattern, at that time we don't have to take main verb. We don't have to use main verb in our sentences. Then and then our sentences would be correct. So see another sentence. Was Abdul Kalam the president of India? अब्दुल कलाम भारताचे राष्ट्रपती होते का? Was he, or was, take the name of any person here, proper name. Was Abdul Kalam the president of India? Wasn't Abdul Kalam the president of India? अब्दुल कलाम भारताचे राष्ट्रपती नव्हते का? Sometime we need to ask the question to other person like this also, right? Was your mother ill yesterday? Wasn't your mother ill yesterday? तुझी आई काल आजारी नव्हती का? Was your mother ill yesterday? Wasn't your mother ill yesterday? Right? Was it your uncle's property? ती तुझ्या काकाची प्रॉपर्टी होती का? Wasn't it your uncle's property? ती तुझी काकाची प्रॉपर्टी नव्हती का? Were they students of English medium school? Question mark. I forgot to give question mark here. So were they students of English medium school? ते संपूर्ण इंग्रजी मीडियम स्कूलचे विद्यार्थी होते का? See how the interrogative and negative are made. For example, weren't they students of English medium school? ते इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूलचे विद्यार्थी नव्हते का? In this way we can make assertive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence and interrogative plus negative sentence. All these types are very essential when we need to do conversation with other, when we ask the question to another person. At that time we will get the right response. If they get our English in a correct way, then and then they will speak within correct way. So in this way you people follow the pattern. As a homework you may write down 4 or 5 sentences of each category, right? So in another video we will deal with the next part. Remember, This is a very basic things that we are going to learn. I told you that we will study from easiest portion towards the difficult portion. After some videos, we will turn towards some of the complicated structure of the language so that we may use all those structure in our day-to-day language and we will be good speaker in English language. Thank you. Watch such types of videos, share the videos and subscribe it also. Thank you.